So we're doing MRI scanning, that's magnetic resonance imaging scanning. People have seen structural MRIs on TV, everyone's seen that. They don't usually call it structural MRI, but that's what it is. That's just a picture of the brain, where you see the different brain regions and so on. In this particular scanning, we're actually looking at something else. We're looking at brain activity as opposed to structure. So we're actually looking at changes in how the brain is functioning over time. What we're doing is we're taking an entire three-dimensional picture, in this case every 2 seconds, and we keep doing that one after another. And this creates a 3D movie of brain activity. In this particular scan, this is a resting state scan, so the participant, Georgina, is just sort of daydreaming or free associating. She doesn't have any explicit task to do. And this looks at background crosstalk and so on between brain regions. And then in a moment, we'll start the other kind of scan. We're going to be doing this functional MRI, this activity scanning with emotional pictures. And the pictures have emotional content. They're either neutral or pleasant or unpleasant. And we'll scan Georgina's brain activity as she views these pictures. And we can then compare, sort of, for example, pleasant to unpleasant pictures and see brain activity differences related to this emotional content. And then the other thing we're going to do with this, we did the same thing 6 months ago before Georgina's healing journey, and now we'll have the sort of post-journey data, and what we can do is we can compare the data from after the journey to before the journey and see how Georgina's brain activity has changed over that time period.